yeah, 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 yeah. You know, through all my life, I ain't never really backed down from that. I always understood, man, this is your life, and in the end, you better get it right. Nighttime coming, the daytime now. Shit, what you gonna do? Sit right down in that chair? You better stand up and be a motherfucking man. And when you go outside, you don't need no friends. Must I say it again? Must I say it again? Must I say it again? Hey, look. Raised up as a little nigga. Black as hell, always ready to get you. Had some fights, know that I won, but when I had a fucking gun, nigga, knew that I was the one. And when I had one, you already know it wasn't legal. I used to do what I had to do. I had to treat you just like they treat me. Mom used to beat me, lifestyle wasn't easy, but must I say it again, man? They need me, just like I need them. That's why I dump the ball, that's like I'm on the rim. I fucking look at them, that's like they look at me. Cause I'm a G internally, like burning weed ain't none of me. That's why they drinking, man, and then they smoking, man. But when I drink, I smoke, I just get off work. Nigga, I'm not joking, man. I gotta go to work, I gotta get my money up. Situation be so crazy, ain't nothing funny, bro. Must I say it again? Must I say it again? These niggas not your people, these niggas not your friend. Nigga, I blow it anywhere with all my people on my side. And when I step outside, they just go the other way. This side, I fucking ride. I ride for any damn occasion. And when I ride, feel like I'll be on vacation. I'm the head leader of the tank, and I do what the fuck I got to do. That's why they can ain't. I ride, man. In the end, that's all I do. Salute to that. Now I'm talking about. Now ride with this nigga when you can see me. That should have put Tony on fucking TV, on BET, MTV. Nigga, just see me. Hell yeah, I make this shit right here look so easy. It ain't hard. Rip it apart, call it apart. Be on my side when they say get it. I'ma ride. Already look me in my eyes. They might be blurry, might be red, but I don't give a fuck. Nigga, that book, you a red. Should say you a read. I'ma smoke me a little weed. I'ma have me a little drink. I'ma do my own thing while y'all motherfuckers can't. I go to the bank. I make a deposit. Them niggas ain't stopping that. So I do what I got to do. Then I be on the mountain. A-Town, man. Where you at?